Hello there, this is a video on installing Windows 10 as a boot camp on a Mac computer. This is a MacBook Air. So basically launch the boot camp utility and download Windows 10 ISO, which is available from Microsoft website, and just follow the prompts as you see. I try to keep the videos as original as possible, where if there is any problems I encounter, I'll show them as well, as you may encounter them as well. Many videos show the step-by-step guide and it just works out smoothly, but it doesn't always, unfortunately. So I've got the USB plugged in here, as you can see on the top right corner. That's where my ISO file is, and unfortunately the first attempt failed. So as you can see here, this is what you will go through as well. Make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi and just let the boot camp run. It will repartition your drive. Don't forget repartition accordingly, because you cannot change the size anymore after this. So if you're going to use the Windows side more, I do recommend increasing the space, especially on MacBook Air, as the SSD sizes are quite limited. And you do want to go boot camp if you're going to run any heavy resource intensive applications, such as this one here. We'll be running CAD style applications, opening large drawings and looking at 3D images as well. So this ran for a while and it actually froze or got stuck, and also I've rerun it again. It ran successfully, and then I could not continue the Windows 10 setup. So there's a couple of problems with this, but I did overcome them, and I'll show you how you can as well. So continue watching and I'll describe as we go. So this is where it got stuck and it wouldn't go any further, so I had to restart the whole process again. So let's restart it again. Okay, so I've restarted the whole process again. Let's see how it goes this time. Now I do recommend you disconnect the USB drives if you got it. So if you can copy the ISO file directly to the Mac OS, it will make your life much easier. But in my case I left the USB in there, which gave me a little problem later on. I'll show you what happens. So second time it worked, great. So after this we need to enter our serial number, and I'll show you what I had problem with, and that was with the partitioning. Here we go. So by your serial number it detects the type version of Windows you can install, and you continue along. And when it comes to partitioning is where I had the problem. Basically it's just supposed to pick the boot camp, and when you pick the boot camp you should be able to press next, and I got an exclamation mark saying I can't install into this partition. Very frustrating. I decided to see if I can fix this. What I did is, what I should have done here is I eject the USB that I had plugged in and just click on boot camp, and I should be able to install. But what I did in this video, I went ahead, restarted the computer and went back into OS X, and then redid the entire operating system install again, the boot camp again, and I reached the same problem again, of course. And then I ejected the USB and I was able to get it going. So I'll skip fast forward all of this because you've seen all this, how I reinstall OS X as a boot camp again, and then we'll come back to this window again. Okay, here we are, second time, and same problem. Nearly driving me crazy. So basically all I had to do was eject the USB, refresh the list of devices, and just press next. So now we know, and if you watch this video and you got the same problem, it's good that you watched it. It will save you a lot of time and headache. And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.